Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I'm going to discuss some of the issues that have arisen for aviation in the drone age. Drones are now commonplace, and it is self-evident that there is a real risk of conflict between unmanned and manned aircraft. In some countries, guidelines on the operation of drones have been issued, and subsequently some have been enshrined into law. In the UK, the Civil Aviation Authority supports the development of drones, but also recognises the risks. Rogue operators of drones continue to cause problems, not just for aviators and commercial aircraft, but also for legitimate operators of unmanned aerial vehicles. There have already been reports from pilots of drones flying dangerously close to aircraft. In a report published in 2018, the CAA stated that there have been 7 confirmed cases of direct in-flight contact between drones and civil or military manned aircraft worldwide. And while none of those 7 were in the UK, the same report goes on to say that there were 59 occasions between April 2016 and March 2017 where UK pilots reported suspected drones in proximity to their aircraft. However, as the report reminds us, there is a difference between flying in proximity and actually colliding with an aircraft. The consequences of such a collision would obviously depend on several factors, not least of which is the size and weight of the UAV and the manned aircraft. Commercial and recreational drones operate from ground level up to a ceiling of 400 feet. Remember, this is measured at ground level, from where the drone pilot is standing. So if you're on top of a 500-foot hill or cliff and you launch your drone, you can fly up to 400 feet above you. This would put your drone 900 feet above sea level. Aircraft, except for landing and takeoff, generally operate above 500 feet above ground level. However, there are exceptions. Low-flying military aircraft is one well-known example. Anyone who is familiar with Mach Loop in Wales or any of the other low-flying practice areas will understand how suddenly such aircraft can appear. Emergency services helicopters and other helicopter types are also unpredictable in terms of where they may appear below 400 feet. So the onus remains with the UAV operators to take the necessary precautionary measures. Situational awareness is essential. Even though a drone pilot may be operating legally with the landowner's permission, checks need to be made for any grass airstrips or private helicopter landing areas nearby. As the drone age evolves, the technology is maturing. For some time now, DJI's software has disabled flight of their drones within the proximity of airfields around the world. So it's a sign of positive progress, but more needs to be done. Just as people can buy sophisticated drones which contain inbuilt safety features that prevent flight near airports, so can people buy or build other UAVs that do not contain these safeguards. So as well as the technological improvements, we also have to speed up the maturing of human behavior. We can make all the new laws we like, but every new law assumes that it acts as a deterrent and can be enforced if contravened. Prevention is always preferable than a cure, and it's also a lot cheaper. It takes time, money, and commitment to become a professional drone pilot. It's fairly safe to assume that professional UAV operators would not risk their livelihoods by actions that may bring them into conflict with other aircraft or local laws. So the efforts should be directed at recreational pilots who fly drones for fun. Some measures introduced include leaflets and websites, for example dronesafe.uk. But leafleting, advice for beginners, and peer group pressure alone won't entirely eliminate all risk. There are some other positive signs in that drone manufacturers are developing the obstacle avoidance capabilities of their UAV. Some drones like the DJI Mavic and Spark already have this capability, but they are designed for avoiding fixed or at least slow-moving objects. Perhaps in years to come, UAV will be programmed with something similar to the ACAS systems aboard conventional aircraft. For now, it's up to all drone pilots, recreational or professional, to not only make themselves aware of the law and guidelines, but to also act as ambassadors for the sport or profession. This may mean they have to gently educate or persuade other drone pilots into the safe and legal operation of drones. Thanks for watching. If you found anything of interest in this video, then please subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell. That way you'll be notified directly of any new videos. While you're there, please click the thumbs up button to give it a like and post a comment to tell me what you liked or disliked about this video. Finally, please share this video with friends, colleagues and in social media so that others may view it and comment. By subscribing, commenting, liking and sharing these videos, I'll know what I'm doing right and will continue to make videos that people want to watch. Thank you for your support.